Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got the Tecsun PL-330 running now. I'm using an external antenna. This is my G5RV antenna, and it just finished the band scan. And if we go backwards one, it found 157 signals. Let's see what we got. Spanish station. I think that's the same station. Another station. That was kind of weak. Now, what you're hearing, the audio is not going to be as good as what I'm hearing, because my camera doesn't do a great job of audio. Something there. Another weak station. Picking up a lot of stations. Could be the same station. Spanish. There we go. English. Oh, Preacher Man. 3.215, Preacher Man. Something there, but pretty weak. Couple of stations there. There's a station, weak. Now that might be bleed over from either AM or FM. Pretty strong. Now that's one of the problems is with using an external antenna, you could overload the front end of this radio, and so you could get bleed over from AM or FM. That's English. I've got 100 and some, so I'm gonna go through these pretty fast.
Either let him is in the field, and the field is the world.
Now we're picking up a lot of English-speaking stations.
In other words, the only safe place to be in our day, the only safe place to be in our day is outside the
Preacher Man station from probably Tennessee. Well, that's clear. Havana, Cuba. Kentucky. If I found a good English one, I'll stop.
it does you too. We need to have hope. We see that so many of them. I hope this story gets you.
Probably from Tennessee.
The woman with child and surveillance with a great.
Because as I said, it's pretty close to the time where I need to start re-emphasizing
Really strong.
that this marriage
También descubrir sus limitaciones y las va mejorando. Sé humilde.
Probably from Cuba.
young Cuban artists, members
Radio
of
Habana. I'm gonna move up away from this.
the leader Fidel Castro, Alan Matamor.
Let me go back. Not sure what that is.
Las frecuencias de onda corta.
We're up to 75 already.
God loves us. We accept that love. Because we accept that love, we grow in. And picture unless you win. And God has always.
Preacher Man.
Oriental. Latinoamérica al día.
La crisis migratoria sigue dominando la agenda bilateral. Interesante que cada vez hay.
WWV. We're up to over 100 now. 115. There's WWV on 15 megahertz.
Durante muchos años, el personaje
136. Now we're getting noise. $150. $157. There were a couple, maybe a dozen, just noise. Mostly Spanish, and mostly preacher man religious stations. Not bad. Again, I'm using external antenna, and it's what time is it? It is 9:33 right this minute. So this was scanned. I did the scan before I started recording, so it wouldn't be quite as boring. I did the scan about 9:10 p.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.